Hello, I'm proud today to introduce the IAQPoint2, an innovative touchscreen indoor air quality monitor from Honeywell Analytics. Now, it's designed to increase energy efficiency, productivity, and the health and comfort of building occupants within commercial buildings. IAQPoint2 is a LEED accredited device. It's a green building solution that can make a major contribution to boosting energy efficiency. Through its link through the Building Automation System, or BAS, via a communications protocol such as BACnet, IAQPoint2 activates the BAS on demand, bringing just the right amount of fresh air into a building space. Now, this activation is based on the measured air quality and preset threshold levels or a request to increase or decrease the temperature in the room through the IAQPoint2. By using demand-controlled ventilation, IAQPoint2 helps avoid the common problems of either underventilating a building space, which of course leads to poor indoor air quality, or overventilating a building space, which increases the building's operating cost. IAQPoint2's on-demand ventilation advantage helps a building's entire ventilation system run more efficiently, extending HVAC component life and, of course, lowering building operating cost. IAQPoint2 monitors 3 indoor air quality parameters. As you can see, carbon dioxide or volatile organic compounds, as well as temperature and humidity. So it reduces the number of monitoring devices needed for an indoor air quality monitoring solution from 3 to 1. Which in turn lowers the capital investment required to obtain a complete indoor air quality monitoring solution. Now, monitoring of carbon dioxide and volatile organic compounds are important in today's building industry, especially in relation to fulfilling LEED's requirements, ASHRAE recommended best practices, and of course, emerging legislation that governs acceptable air quality levels in schools and other commercial buildings. Now, with the increasing number of reports on sick building syndrome, as well as the growing epidemic of child asthma, now reportedly at 10% of the U.S. population, indoor air quality is a real concern. Anytime there are a lot of people in a room exhaling carbon dioxide over an extended period of time, something you'll find typically in high density or variable occupancy spaces, such as schools, auditoriums, offices, churches, and other commercial buildings, air quality, of course, must be controlled, or people can get drowsy and productivity can decline. Commercial buildings also contain volatile organic compounds. Examples of VOC sources are new furnishings, wall and floor coverings, office equipment, lubricating oils, varnishes, paints, and paint solvents, as well as formaldehyde. IAQPoint2 detects these VOCs, as well as methane and combustible vapors. IAQPoint2, configured with a VOC sensor option, will find a ready market acceptance to control odor in restaurants, health clubs, as well as other building applications. Now, the unit is designed for global market appeal. It fits into any standard junction box, or it can be directly mounted to a wall or a duct. Now, what further distinguishes IAQPoint2 from others in the market is its innovative touchscreen display and intuitive navigation. Now, in addition to measuring CO2 or VOCs, the IAQPoint2 allows the occupant the ability to set the room temperature to meet their comfort requirements. Now, using the touchscreen user interface is both simple and practical. It's all about the power of touch. Contractors can touch the screen and simplify installation, calibration, and security. In fact, wall mounting the unit is a simple 2-step process. This feature alone saves the contractor hours on the job, and after all, time saved is money earned to a busy contractor. Now, let me give you a brief demonstration to help you see the IAQPoint2's power of touch. Now, the main screen indicates readings of CO2 gas concentration levels as well as temperature and humidity. The main menu can be accessed by pressing a button, which takes you to a password-protected interface. Now, 3 levels of password control are provided, thus preventing unqualified users from tampering with the unit or performing specialized tasks such as calibration. The touchscreen interface also allows you to customize the display screen with your own company logo. You can choose language preferences such as French. You can even choose to selectively hide the display of gas concentration readings from public view. It's all done at the touch of a button. So in summary, IAQPoint2 brings leap-forward technology to the user's fingertips with a simplified navigation scheme, 3-in-1 monitoring platform, and on-demand ventilation. The benefits are numerous. Energy efficiency is increased and energy costs are lowered. Building occupants stay more focused and claim fewer sick days. Building owners benefit from an improved bottom line, gain credits that move them closer to LEED certification, and serve as a notable example of good corporate citizenship and environmental stewardship for the good of all who walk through the doors of their building. Now I'd like to take a moment and show you an actual monitor. So here's the actual unit, and as you can see, it's very simple to use. Simply hit the menu button and you go to the password protected interface. From here, you can go to configuration and then into set points, where you can simply adjust the temperature to your liking. Very simple to use. You too can experience the power of touch with the IAQPoint2 from Honeywell Analytics.